Want a deeper clean that reaches edges and corners? The Xiaomi S40 Pro is built for more precise, more powerful floor cleaning. The S40 Pro is a robot vacuum and mop designed to clean more thoroughly, especially along walls, corners, and carpets. It's built for users who want better results than basic robot vacuums, especially in larger and more detailed spaces. Standard robots can miss edges and corners. The S40 Pro extends its brush and mop pads to clean closer to walls and around obstacles. Its 15,000 Pascal suction power lifts stubborn dust, hair, and fine debris from hard floors and carpets. Dual rotating mop pads scrub floors at high speed to remove dried stains more effectively than flat mop pads. Smart carpet detection lifts mop pads to keep carpets dry and boost suction for deeper carpet cleaning. And with advanced obstacle detection, it helps the robot vacuum avoid obstacles even in low light. LDS laser navigation scans your home, builds accurate maps, and plans efficient routes with fewer missed spots. Its low-profile design helps it clean under beds and furniture while still being able to handle thresholds under 20 millimeters. In the box, you will find the robot, charging dock, brushes, dual mop pads, water tank, power adapter, and setup guide. Power it on, connect it to the Xiaomi Home app, and follow the simple setup instructions. Set zones, carpet rules, and cleaning modes. And then let the S40 Pro handle daily deep cleaning. And voice control allows you to start and stop cleaning with a simple command.